Okay, real quick one, just highlighting the fact that you need to dry your filament when you do 3D printing. I was printing this new part for my, you'll see it for the key cutting machine, and you can see quite clearly there the change in textures. This part was the old filament that just ran out. I changed over. You can see here I've got the empty filament. Here's the bag. I took it out. Here's another one. That's exactly how it was. I had 3, all still got vacuum. Ran it in put it in the dryer and started printing. And came back this morning, and I mean it's functional, but it's a really horrible finish. When you look at how smooth and nice that was compared to that, I don't mind. I'll use it, but really not happy with that result. That's PETG carbon. Generally really happy with that, but the thing is I've been running it in this dry box for like weeks. Every time I come out here I just run it for another 12 hours. So the old stuff was really well dried out, and looks like this new stuff I'm gonna have to, before I use any of these rolls, just put them in the oven and cook them for a while. So be warned, just because it comes in a bag with desiccant under a vacuum does not mean it's dry. So a lot of people that have been complaining about stringing and other problems in their print, I reckon you'd go a long way to drying your filament out and seeing what it's like after you've done a good dry. So yeah, I hope that helps somebody out with their print. If you like, please hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll keep doing more of this kind of content. Thanks for watching, everybody.